Hi all, welcome to my day one of creating a Spark application. The goal of this series is to cover all aspects of data engineering which is asked in interview or used in industry. And to get the best out of it, you understand the scenario, try to implement each step on your own first and then resume the video to see the solution. So today if you follow along with this video, you will get to know about how to read JSON, use JSON tuple, use toJSON, explode and collect list functions. The use cases, you are getting transactional data for your e-card business in JSON format and you have to transform data as per the given instruction. This is the Python code to generate JSONs. You can get it in description below. Scroll down and just change the file path and JSON will be generated. Let me run it. We can see files are getting created. Let's go to that path. Yeah, here we have refresh it. Now stop the Python code as we have enough number of JSONs. So this is the format of JSON. Pause the video and take a look at it. We have transaction ID, customer ID, list of items, delivery info, which contains another nested JSON of address details. Now, first step, try to read the JSON and get data in this format. You can either pause the video or just follow along with it. Start with creating a Spark session. Give it a name. Now read the JSON. As one JSON object is not in just one line, so we will set multi-line to true. Give the path name and then do dot show and run it. Yeah, so we get the desired output here. Now this delivery info column contains address details. So let's see that first. Do dot show false. Yeah, we can see the address details here. Coming to step 2, we have to fetch city, state, street and zip code from this delivery info column and put it in this format. Create a data frame, delivery address. Create a column, delivery info JSON, which converts the existing column into JSON. Let me select those 3 columns from here. Yeah. Now we need to select all and even expand the nested JSON, this nested column delivery info JSON using a JSON tuple and get its subsequent columns. Out of all these, we need transaction ID, customer ID and address JSON. And again select all and from address JSON, using JSON tuple again fetch city, state, street and zip. From here we can select the final desired columns, do dot show. Yeah. This is a simple step. We just have to filter customer with multiple addresses. Delivery address, group by with customer ID and aggregate count and select columns with count greater than 1. Oh, sorry, this has to be in filter condition, not select. Yeah, now combine these address in the format street, comma, city, comma, state, comma, zip using concat with a string in one address column. Do delivery address dot with column address and use concat underscore ws to concat all the 4 columns using comma. And then do dot show. We can see address of each customer in the required format. Let's see one customer with multiple addresses. Yeah. Next step is to create a data frame with cust ID and all addresses of that customer in one row, like shown here. To achieve this, we will do group by customer ID and use collect list function to get all address in one and filter it for the same C006. Do dot show and see the result. Yeah, here we have the result as expected. Now coming to step 6, we have to fetch two other columns, transaction ID and items. This was fairly simple. We just have to select items column from raw data frame. Let's do that. Run it. Yeah, looks good. Step 7, we have to denormalize it across transaction IDs to have just one item description per row like this. Do with column items description and explore items. Let's do dot show. And yeah, here we have the result. Now coming to last step, split that one column to item ID, comma price, comma product name and quantity. We have already done something similar just now. Create a column items to JSON. Select all columns and using JSON tuple expand item ID, comma price, product name and quantity. Now select the required columns and then do dot show. And yes, this also looks good. So that's it for today. Thank you.